Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of making money with faceless TikTok accounts. There are several YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok accounts that have been a part of the social media scene for over a decade. From YouTube to Pinterest and Instagram, they've grown their accounts to incredible heights. But today, we're going to unravel the secrets of turning a faceless TikTok presence into a lucrative venture. In fact, some of these accounts have already grown their faceless YouTube accounts to over 300K subscribers in less than 2 years. They've also successfully navigated other social networks and even dabbled in social media management, helping others elevate their online presence. What's fascinating about social media is that it's for everyone. Whether you're introverted, shy, or simply prefer anonymity, you can still thrive, succeed, and make money through social media, just like these accounts have done. Now, let's dive into how these accounts make money with their faceless TikTok accounts. Faceless TikTok is all about sharing engaging content without revealing your face. One notable example is the Millennial Next Door account, where they create videos that not only captivate their audience, but also drive traffic to their website, boost their email list, and promote their online content. This, in turn, attracts advertisers who pay these accounts to showcase their products or services on their social media platforms. There are countless creative TikTok business ideas that can help you monetize your account without showing your face. Stay tuned. We'll cover more on this shortly. Ready to start your own faceless TikTok venture? Here's a simple 4-step process to get you started. First, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. Make sure it's something you can monetize effectively. Niches can vary from gardening to parenting, budgeting, food, fashion, and more. Next, decide how you'll monetize your TikTok account. There are several options: selling products, offering services, collaborating with brands, or engaging in affiliate marketing. Physical and digital products, services like coaching, and brand deals are all on the table. Set up your TikTok account, choose a catchy username, complete your profile, and start creating content. Filming videos with a smartphone is easy thanks to TikTok's user-friendly features. You can add text overlays, trending music, voiceovers, and more to make your videos pop. Now, it's time to monetize your content. Implement one of the strategies we discussed earlier, whether it's setting up a store, sharing affiliate links, or sealing brand deals. The possibilities are endless. So how do these accounts personally make money on TikTok? They primarily rely on affiliate marketing and brand deals. They create engaging videos featuring products and link them in their TikTok bio. Some of these affiliate products have earned them commissions ranging from $300 to over $1,400. Additionally, brand deals have been a consistent source of income, and they've even ventured into UGC content deals and Fiverr gigs, earning $200 to $750 per video. So there you have it, folks. Making money with faceless TikTok is not just possible, it's incredibly rewarding. With the right niche, monetization strategy, and dedication, you can turn your TikTok account into a lucrative income stream, all while maintaining your privacy. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and stay tuned for our next adventure in the world of social media. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Remember, success on TikTok is just a few creative ideas away. Until next time, keep TikToking.